everybody, welcome to the Hacienda. Ribbit here. Glad you can join me again. Today we're going to make something out of the ordinary but completely, ultimately delicious. And thanks to the guys at Bottarga Borealis and Duke's Gourmet who've supplied me with this beautiful Bottarga, we're going to make this fantastic dish. What we have here is some sliced Bottarga, we got some grated Bottarga, lemon, olive oil, and fresh green beans. Yep, that's it. That's all it takes. And I'm going to show you how delicious it is. Now, Bottarga is the salted and dried roe from the Norwegian cod known as skrei. It's a cod that's unique to the northern Norwegian waters, and it's absolutely delicious. So stick with me and I'll show you how it's done. Now the first thing we're going to do is we're going to drizzle, I'd say about a quarter cup of extra virgin olive oil over these beautiful green beans. Then we're going to give them a nice toss to make sure they're coated evenly all over. The freshness of these beautiful spring green beans is delicious. My mouth is watering already with the flavor, thought of the flavor. Okay, now we got to put it on a baking sheet. Right, so now we're going to spread them out on a cookie sheet and bake them in a preheated 400-degree oven. And it's going to be about 20-25 minutes. When they're ready and they come out, I'll let you know. And here you go. After 30 minutes at a 400-degree oven, we have the nicely roasted green beans. Now I just put just a hint of sea salt on it and some cracked black pepper. Okay, the Bottarga has plenty of salt in it, so you really don't need it. So we're almost done. All we're going to do to prep it is we're going to sprinkle the grated Bottarga on it, like so. Then we're going to take the sliced Bottarga and we're going to decorate it and put it in here so everybody can get a little piece. This makes a nice appetizer, or it could be a side. Good side dish. And let me tell you, this Bottarga is absolutely fantastic. You got to go check out the guys at Bottarga Borealis and Duke's Gourmet. Tell them the Rivet sent you, send them some love. Fantastic stuff. You can learn all about Norwegian skrei at Bottarga Borealis and order some of this deliciousness from Duke's Gourmet. And the final touch is the juice of 1/2 fresh lemon. Look at that. Oh, this smell is just outstanding. Alright, and there you have it. Roasted green beans with Bottarga. Thanks for watching, people. And again, thank you fellas from Bottarga Borealis and Duke's Gourmet. Take care. Bye-bye.